It's the messiest time of year again, and my car is covered in all kinds of road slop, just like yours probably is. But I'm going to remind you of something that you should do every time you get in or out of the car that you remember. Now, of course, as the slop accumulates on your car, you should be washing off your tail lights periodically to make sure that people can see what's going on. But there's something else you should be doing, and that involves your rear camera underneath. Now, I usually do this when I get in the car, but sometimes I do it on the way out. Kind of depends what I'm thinking. Quick little lick, fingertip, and then you come up to that lens, just give that a little wipe, just like that. And you'll be glad you did. Ew. Time to make that better. There we go. Safety first, everybody. You may not clean the car, but you should at least be cleaning your lights. And while you're down here, don't forget these reflectors. Both of them. Especially if you happen to be one of these folks that has to, unfortunately, park on the street and not in a garage. And of course, while you're at it, make sure your lights are clean everywhere, because you want to make sure that people see you coming and see you, well, at least where you're going. All right? So it's kind of a joke between me and my friends about how often I actually clean the entire car, but I always make sure that the lights are clean, and I obviously make sure that the windows are clean too. But that rear view camera is easy to forget. This isn't Tesla specific. This is for any car that has a rear view camera. And a real quick, easy thing to do is just give it that quick lick and swipe when you're on your way in or out of the car.